Learn English with Titanic movie. You won't believe how Titanic teaches English tenses. Mind-blowing. Part 8 of 10. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Which of the following is a time marker of the present perfect continuous tense? A. Often. B. All day. C. Next week. Correct answer, all day. Example from Titanic movie, the ship has been sailing smoothly all day. Which of the following is a time marker of the past perfect tense? A. Yesterday. B. Before. C. Now. Correct answer, before. Example from Titanic movie, the crew had already sent distress signals before the ship sank. Which of the following is a time marker of the past perfect tense? A. Tomorrow. B. By the time. C. Currently. Correct answer, by the time. Example from Titanic movie, by the time the Californian arrived, the Titanic had already gone down. Which of the following is a time marker of the past perfect tense? A. Soon. B. Already. C. At the moment. Correct answer, already. Example from Titanic movie, the crew had already realized the danger when the first lifeboats were launched. Which of the following is a time marker of the past perfect tense? A. Last night. B. Until then. C. Next. Correct answer, until then. Example from Titanic movie, the passengers had been confident until then. Like, comment and subscribe.